In this video, I want to demonstrate how to configure Flex VPN using IKEv2. So I'm going to create a point-to-point tunnel using tunnel interfaces. There are default settings that we can use to bring this tunnel up, but for this demonstration, I will manually create the settings. This is our topology that we're going to use. I'm just going to create a site-to-site tunnel between R1 and R2. And they're going to be sharing these LANs, so R2's got 192.168.2.0, R1's got 192.168.1.0, and these two LANs should be able to reach each other over this internet. Okay, so first of all, I think we will bring the tunnels up first. So I've got a loopback interface here, and we're going to borrow that IP. Next, we need to say with the source, the tunnel source, it's going to be my WAN interface. Tunnel destination is going to be R2's WAN interface, so that'll be 2.0.0.2. Okay, and next we could add a static route going out of tunnel 0, and we could do the same over an R2. So we're going to borrow the loopback interface. Tunnel source and tunnel destination. It's going to be 1.0.0.2, and let's add a route 192.168.2. Dot that 255.255.255.0 ton 0. I'll ping it ping 192.168.1.2 1.1 source. Yes. So that is going over the GRE tunnel that we just created. So now we're going to add some encryption, add some security onto this tunnel. We're going to use IKEv2. So the first thing, so we're not going to be using the default settings. I'm going to create everything. So the first thing we need to do is create the IKEv2 proposal. I'm going to call this my IKEv2 proposal. Okay, so this is very similar to the policy, the IKEv1 policy, the ISACANT policy. Encryption, we'll give it that. Integrity, it's going to be SHA-512. The group, it's going to be 15. And that will do. Next, we need to create the IKEv2 policy. Version 2 policy, that's its name. Now it must have at least one proposal attached. Okay, proposal is going to be my IKEv2-proposal. We could do a match FE off that. I'll put any that. And no, we won't bother with the address. Alright, next we need to make an IKEv2 keyring. Here, now this is going to R2. The address of R2 is 2.0.0.2. Pre-shared key. I'm just going to use Cisco 123. The identity we will use as a fully qualified domain name as r2.gaz.net. I think that will do. Now we need to create the IKEv2 profile. So IKEv2 profile. Call this my IKEv2 profile. Right then, so we'll have identity local, so this will be r1.gaz.net. Fully qualified domain name. Identity authentication. Local is going to be pre-shared, and remote is going to be pre-shared. Keyring is going to be my-key. Local. Fully qualified domain name, so that's going to be r2-gaz.net. So let me just have a look at that. Okay, yep, that's looking okay. Now we just need to create the Ipsec transform set. So yeah, this is exactly the same as like version 1. The mode will leave us tunnel. Now we'll create the Ipsec profile. Call this my-ipsec profile. We'll set the transform to T-form, and we'll set the IKEv2 profile to my-IKEv2 profile. And now we need to put this under the tunnel interface. Tunnel mode IPsec, IPv4, protection, profile, IPsec profile. Okay. So one thing I will do is show render section. I will take this, I will put it into a notepad, and I'll just change the bits that I need to change. That looks okay. And we'll apply this to the tunnel interface. dash IPsec. The tunnel's up. Can I ping the other side? It looks like it. So some verification commands. Show crypto IKE version 2 sessions. It's a good one. So the system is active here. Same thing. You've also got show crypto IPsec SA as well, and here, yeah, we see the end caps and decaps there, and that's my ping going over. And yeah, that's about it really. Not sure what else to show you really. Yeah, thank you for watching.